Identify whether or not given lengths will create a triangle. We'll look at number 19 as our example, but I'll show you another one as well. So we're looking at this. 35 is one side, 120 is another side, and 125 is another side. You got to be careful when you're given lengths. Any three lengths do not make a triangle. For example, if I had something that was, let's say it was 100 long, and I said, well, I've got a side that's 100, and I've got another side that's 1, and another side that's 2. Well, 1 would only come up so far, and 2 would only come up so far. There's no way those two would meet, okay? Because 100 is bigger than the other two combined. So that's really what we're looking for. If we see something where one side is larger than the other two combined, then it's not going to work. So let's look back up here at number 19. Okay, I've got my largest side as 125, so that's really what I'm keying in on, and I'm going to compare 125 to the other two combined, 120 and 35 together. I need to have these two together be larger than my largest side, because if it's not, then I'm going to end up with a situation like this. Now, if I was to look at this, I'd go 100 and compare that to 1 and 2. Is this really larger because we need it to be? No, it's not. It doesn't work. In this case, 120 and 35 is 155. It really is larger than 125. So we should be pretty good here. This would be a triangle that could be made using these three lengths. And if you want to try to draw it and say, okay, that's 125, 120 would stretch most of the way, and that last piece would be the 35. This triangle would work given those three sides.